Yeah. Block cotton, I'm running, I'm chasing all this paper. No guarantee to this shit, man, we going major. Your bitch addicted to crack rock, she doing favors. These demons don't leave me alone, man, I need my razor. My photo don't got no laser, but it will still wanna take it to me. Jamaica like Melo, don't need the Lakers, I'm just ballin' like I gotta be. Don't need nobody playing, saying that they fucking proud of me. My soul's to keep. Lately I can't get no sleep, can't get no peace. Voices telling me that I should rest in peace. They love to see blood leak, watch me weep while I'm weak. They love to creep, but I got different intentions. I'm straight finessing the record. This torturers play defense. Tom, no, we do not make amends. We learn to plead the fifth and drop bodies of niggas that's free. Tom, we gon' get it like this. Feeling detrimental, repentful for all the agony. The weakest strategies to make you fall and just bet down on me. Stressing so much that led to drugs. Now I don't know when enough is enough. Now I'm dangerous, depression came with this. I'm dope smoking, I'm needle poking. My life's a joking, heart's eroded from deadly potions. I'm loaded, now overdosing. I'm choking cause I'm seeing death approaching. Yeah, I feel a rush, not throwing up. The high was just too much to manage. I thought I had an advantage, to finally vanish. I've had it, I'm a drug addict, I'm damaged. Got no more tactics to practice, man, what the fuck just fucking happened? I'm lost. Ha, Tom. It's a done deal. Fuck it. We gone.